Hello mga ka-tours, kamusta kayo? So, our next European adventure, I'm going to share my screen first. So, let's go to Prague. So, that's 2,226 for round trip, non-stop for January 29 to February 5. So, Prague, let's go to Prague. And yeah, let's check kung ano yung makukuha nating hotels na mura na maganda sa city center sa Prague, Czech Republic. So that's January 29. Let's say only two, three, let's say 6 days, 5 nights for adults, 2 adults, 2 children. Let's search. By the way, please use my affiliate link. This is available for all nationalities. So you will get the discount once you use once you use my affiliate link. So ito na nga. So let's say we need breakfast, of course. Okay, this one. Pag walang breakfast, that's 28. Parang doble siya, no? Doble yung price niya. So, yeah, let's add the breakfast. Newly renovated pala to. Last year lang. Hotel Suite Prague. Breakfast included. 4-star hotel. Hotel Cube. Angeles. With hotels. We always add breakfast kasi mas mura siya pag may hotel. Kapag may breakfast. Urban Queen. 5-star hotel. Holiday in Prague. Dancing House. Maganda siya, oh. Dancing House. 102,000. Hermitage Prague. Mamaysol. Hotel Riverside. Hotel Burcha. Ito marapit siya sa railway station. Ambassador Zalata Husa. Breakfast included. Hotel Prague. Dates. Esplanade Hotel. Let's see. Mama Shelter Hotel. Accent Hotel. Ito, mura naman ito. Mama Shelter. Pure White. Pure White Hotel. Oops. Let's see. A 5-star hotel. Tingnan natin. Wow, Alchemist Grand Hotel and Spa. Okay, let's see na. Not here, let's see. Wow, ang ganda. Pang royal ang datingan niya. Royal. Maka-elegant ng hotel. 47 hotels. Ganda. Okay, let's see. This is family room. 2 single bed, 1 queen bed. Ito. 59 to 62 square meter. So, may sarili. Ito's for kids, for couple. That's 131,000. Date. So, it's 26,000 per night. So, say, ito muna yung ginawa natin, ha? Worth it. Check natin siya. 2 single bed din to. Tapos meron din siya, mas malaki, 62. Air conditioning. May kitchen siya. Coffee machine, mini bar. Okay. Tower suite. Wow, nice. 70 square meter. Sofa, desk, wardrobe. Okay. Luxury. Ito naman, luxury. Isang room, isang toilet. 1 queen bed, sofa bed. Cozy double room. Cozy double room. Okay, next. Ventana Hotel Prague. Ganda. Junior suite with skyloft. May loft siya. 1 queen bed. 55 square meter. Ito yung sa taas niya. Tapos may living room. Okay, next. Pure white. Quadruple. Quadruple. Single room. Double room. Next. Shelter Prague. Okay, next. Family room. Yes. King bed and 2 single beds. 43 square meter. Dito na lang tayo. Mas okay. 69,000 lang. Sige, palitan natin yung ano. So, halos kalahati yung ano niya. Na less sa ating cost. So, this is Mama Family Shelter Prague. Mama Shelter Prague. Ito pa. Ganda ng hotel. Colorful. Ganda. Sweet single. NH Prague. Remaining. Phoenix. Family room. 2 adult, 2 children. Basic. Basic niya. 40 square meter. Apartment with terrace. Okay, next. Lions Boutique Hotel. Prague. Family suite. One king bed, two single beds dito. Maganda siya, oh. Two, meron siyang room for couple here. Ayan, maganda. So, this is 63,000 for 5 nights. So, which one? Ambassador sa House. 63. Pero ito, 2 great breakfast lang eh. Yung kanina, good for 4. So, deluxe wardrobe ko. Next, standard. Dancing queen. Dancing house. Nakaiba yung ano niya. Structure ng building. Okay, let's see their River Royal Suite. 2 king beds. Dalawa. 2 king beds siya. 58 square meter. Mukhang maganda to. How much to? 102. So, next. Holiday Inn. Suite. 1 king bed, 1 sofa bed. It's two single bed. Urban Creme. Ito, queen bed and sofa bed. Ayoko naman matulog sa sofa bed, yung mga kids. Pero 22,000 lang siya. Okay, next. Prague Old Town, 90,000. Superior King Room. Sofa bed uli siya, king bed. 2 bed. Ito, okay, 2 bed. 400,000 pala to. For 5 nights, 400,000. This one. Apartment. Sofa bed. Hotel Cube. 4-star hotel din siya. Napaka-modern. Ang ganda. Okay. 1 king bed, 1 sofa bed, superior room. Okay, no? Let's go next. Okay. Hotel Prague. Ganda yung character. May character yung hotel na to. Old-fashioned na yung hotel. So, yeah. Triple room with extra bed. Ito. Deluxe triple room. Plus extra bed. Ito. Okay siya. That's 38,000. Including breakfast. Siguro 30 square meter. Okay. Pwede siya. Pwede rin itong kunin natin. Kasi 4-star din naman siya. Okay, let's say ito kinuha natin, 38,000. So, kalahati ng ano. Ito kasi kanina may sarili siyang ano, parang room. Para siyang connecting room yung kanina napili natin. Okay, let's see. Ilang palit na tayo ng room ng hotel. Iba naman yung style nitong hotel na to. Apartment. Hotel suite home. Triple apartment. Quadruple. Two single bed. Standard suite. Nope. 52,688. Double bed sofa. Double bed and sofa. Okay, no? Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo sa attraction and tours for Prague. Prague. Search. Destination sa Prague. Prague Castle. Check natin yan. Old Town Square. Ito guided tour. Dapat sila ditong private tour. Say, ano yung ano natin kanina? Okay, let's say, Prague entry ticket, classical concert, St. Vitus Cathedral, ito, Prague with buffet dinner, Europe travel, ito may river cruise, local guide, 2.5 hours, open top glass boat. Tingnan natin kung magkakapareha. Pero parang magkakaano na yung ating Pilatwa, Pitava, Blacklight, mini golf admission. Ito sa mga kids. Golden Lady, Miserable Fate. Auto full day tour. Siski Krumot. Medieval show, Diving Castle. Ito. Mid hotel pick-up. Ito kung gusto mo itong i-add. Bohemian. Pero 5 nights lang tayo eh. Ito lang tayo sa ano. Prague Zoo. Ito, Prague Zoo. Punta tayo sa zoo. Ito kung gusto niyo, yung saksa. May hiking tour siya, 10 hours. Sige, check na natin yan. Full day tour yun. Trip to Selsley. It's the largest castle in Czech Republic. River cruise open boat. Rotating Head by David Samuel. Galing ha. Okay, let's see. Prague Castle. It's 1680. It's 3 to 4 hours. For 4 person, ilan siya? 1680, 74 times 4, 67, 6, 722, 96. Next is Prague entry. Concert at the Mirror. Let's say ito, 7 p.m. or 5. So this is 8,088 and 68. And this is a concert ha. It's up to you kung gusto niyo. Kasi medyo bet ko yan. Ewan ko sa mga kids. Sightseeing boat cruise suite buffet dinner. Ito, tatlo kayo. Ay, ito pala. 3, 2, okay, that's 8, 12,000. Before, kasama na yung buffet. 6. Let's say, VR. Oh. Huwag na to kasi meron na kayong ano. Ito naman, let's say, English local guide admission. 2 and then 2, 2. That's 11,000. Prague Castle with local guide and entry. Ayan. Next. Dinner cruise. Open top class. Ito, gusto ba natin to? Ay. Hindi naman mag-enjoy yung mga kids niyan. Dito na lang. Full day tour, Prague and back. It's 32,000. So everyday tour, yeah. We have 5 everyday tour. Meron tayo. Ito, isama natin to. It's 1,178. 78, 1,178. 0.27 times 4. Tanggalin na natin yung isama natin dun sa ano. Yung iba dito may half day city to. So we have ito na to. Ito sana yung isasama natin. So, palitan na lang natin dito yung isa. Ito, palitan na lang natin to. Gawin na lang natin tong ganito. 6,000. Okay. So, meron na tayong kasi 5 nights, 6 days lang tayo. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 6, 2. Palas lang natin siya. 38,377 plus 0.60 plus 12,683.38 plus 11,132.41 plus 32,591.60 plus 4,713 0.08. That's total of ay naku, ano mali na. Ulit. 38,377 plus 56, 130.60 plus 88.68 plus 12,683.38 plus 11,132.41 plus 32,591.60 plus 4,713. That's 163,716.75. 4 persons na yan. So divide 4, that's 163. Hindi makita. It's 163,716.75 divided by 4. So per person is like, this is hotel with breakfast, 40,929.1875. Okay, so yan na yung ating Prague Hotel and Tour attractions computation for 5 days, 5 nights, 6 days. Okay. So again, if you're going to search a tour using my link, you will get a discount from trip.com. Okay, see ya for our next Europe adventure. Thank you.